Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to take pre-workout for the first time step by step. Start with a half dose to assess tolerance, mix with 8-12 ounces of water, and time it 20 minutes before training. Stay hydrated during your session and avoid caffeine later in the day. Note any side effects like jitters or nausea and stop if severe. Keep a training log to find the right dose and timing for consistent results. Hey, let's dial in dose and timing so you get benefits without surprises. Start with half the labeled serving to check tolerance, then slowly increase if needed. Mix with 8-12 ounces of water and aim to drink it 15 to 30 minutes before your warm-up so peak effects align with effort. Avoid stacking with other caffeine sources like coffee or energy drinks to prevent jitters and sleep disruption later. Quick recommendation: if you like comfortable gear during sweaty sessions, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay put and cut down on blisters. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Check the description for the link and extra deals and grab a pair to treat your feet. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritizing safety keeps training sustainable and fun. If you have heart issues, high blood pressure, or take medications, talk to your healthcare provider before trying pre-workout. Do not use pre-workout if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or under 18 without medical advice. Keep an eye on your heart rate, hydration, and how you feel. If you experience chest pain, fainting, or severe nausea, stop using immediately and seek medical help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.